Did you know that your Android phone could be listening to your conversations and tracking your data, then sharing with other third parties app? This is why when you talk of something, you will start seeing ads about that thing. Maybe you want to buy a TV and you share that with your friend. The next thing you go to TikTok, you will be seeing ads on TV. Let me show you how to stop that. Locate your settings button. Sorry, settings icon. Then scroll down. Just scroll down. Then locate Google. This one here. Just tap on it. When you locate Google, then go to the tab of all services, then just come down, then you will see this place for personalized using shared data. Just tap on it. Now you want to turn all this off. You see, when you allow them, your location will be shared with Google, the kind of email you receive, the kind of music you listen to, the kind of media you play, and even your contacts. This is very scary. Just turn everything off here. You don't need them to use your phone. Now go back. After doing that, the next thing you want to do is locate this place for ads. Ads there. Then you will see various options here. Reset ads, advertising ID, delete advertising ID. The first thing you need to do is to delete that advertising ID. Nice one. Then click add privacy. Now you see here, I have turned off all ads. This is what you should do. Okay, make sure that you turn it off so that this does not get shared by third parties app. Okay, just make sure that you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, now click on the arrow back button once again, then go to usage and diagnostics. Make sure you turn this usage and diagnostics data off. This is the feature that Google uses to check the kind of apps you use, the time you spend on every app, and even your location and everything, and sharing with other third parties app. You don't want that. Just turn it off. Then click on the arrow back button. Then click on the arrow back button once again. Then click on privacy at the bottom once again. Now you want to ensure there is privacy for various apps. Maybe you want to disable camera for some apps. You want to disable microphone. Then you allow it back, because some apps cannot work without enabling microphone or camera. So that's how you ensure that your data is not being shared by third-party apps by Google. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.